Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Sa'ad Taslim. I'm here with another Ramadan public service announcement. There are way too many people out there, way too many Muslims who are filling up to the max for iftar. Some people think that the iftar is to make up for the whole day that you haven't eaten. And the problem with that is, subhanAllah, that after that, their day is just shot. And even in their worship, whether they're praying Isha or Taraweeh, they're full, they can't concentrate, they're about to pass out. And subhanAllah, you know what's even worse? The people next to them who have to suffer through those burps. We've all been next to that person who, mashallah, right in the middle of their prayer, they let out this nice, beautiful burp. Mashallah, you can smell all the pakoras, all the onions, all the garlic, everything that they've had. And subhanAllah, you know, the Prophet said, even told us that a person should not come to the masjid with the smell of onions and garlic. So what about all these desi spices and smells? It's not just desi, it's other cultures as well, but especially desis. You see this a lot. But the point here is, my brothers and sisters, that the point of the month of Ramadan is to be moderate, and especially moderate in what we eat. So go easy, go super easy on your iftar. What I would say is whatever you think is normal, divide that by three and just have a third of what you think is normal and come to the masjid with that. Inshallah, after that, after Taraweeh, after Isha Taraweeh, you can go eat all you want because you're bothering no one at that time. Until next time, inshallah, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.